So I was in Delhi doing my engineering, and there I used to attend a lot of international summits and conferences. And so one I attended World Sustainable Development Summit by Terry, and then in one of the panel discussion I saw someone from IIHS. And then when I went back home, I googled about what's IIHS, what the program they do, and then I applied for the fellowship, and here I am. As I'm from engineering background, I don't know much about smart cities, urban planning from that aspect. But this fellowship is a kind of interdisciplinary course, so it connects all this planning, infrastructure, social aspects. So, and I learned a lot about from this fellowship. I didn't knew that it could be this much vast. For me, urban planning just means building great buildings and cities, smart cities, but it's more than that. Best part of the fellowship is it's interdisciplinary. So I'm from engineering background. I didn't know about the social aspects, and as I've told you earlier, so I learned a lot about different aspects and how to implement it in the ground level, especially. And also, this very fellowship time is quite small, 9 months, and we are learning a lot within this 9 months. The assignments, the projects, the practica that we are doing is such a great. So they are designed in such a way that we learn more and more. The course structure which started from the online term, which was August and September, and then from October we came over here, and after that the electives which are going and the skills lab. So I like about the electives term. The before the two terms which were online term, and after that they were to combine all the students, all the fellows from different backgrounds to give a common aspect of the fellowship of the urban planning. And after that we are given electives as well as labs which we want to engage in our own field. So like for me, I've chosen energy and different electives. So my electives was about energy in the city, and second one was about mega infrastructures and mobility. So yeah, I mean elective did a great because we are learning more deeper and deeper into that, and as I want to work in the future in the same aspect, so it's good to know more and to connect with faculties and different organizations. So my project is Solar Decathlon India, which is a part of Government of India, Renewable Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and IHS is also a part of it. And the project head is Prasad Vaidya. And so, as a part of the project, I need to study all the submissions of the teams from this country of Solar Decathlon India, and I have to make a movie out of it. So it's a great learning because the students from IIT and different colleges made a great contribution towards how energy efficiency can work in it, and how can you within a limited space, how can you generate more and more energy, and made a cleaner environment from this. There were two practica actually. One was in online term, which was a great fun because we were sitting in different cities and connecting over Zoom again and again, and we have to do all online, which was a great experience in itself because we were not even going to the ground. We were not going for any kind of survey, and we were just doing online stuff, research, everything. And the next practica, which was quite long after the online term in the month of October, November, my practice was about informality in the neighborhood, and we surveyed a lot of street vendors. Lot of people get to know about what the harsh reality of the world is, which we don't even see. Internship will be the main which we decide where we are going after the fellowship. For the internship, I am particularly looking for the organizations which IHS have tied up earlier, like Terry, GIZ, and many more. The faculty are helping me to get into this institution because as my field, because they also want me to get, as I am working in it, so they want me to get more and more about it and want to work me in that field. So it's quite diverse. There are three engineers: electrical, mechanical, civil, people from economics background, some social science background, and even some of the people did work as an urban consultant. So there are a lot of people from different background, and they all share all their aspects. So each one of the trying to gain more and more from different fellows, which is a great part of it. It's great. I mean, the environment, the working environment, The campus, everything is good. The food is so good, and people are here so nice. So yeah, it's very fine. Those who got those who will be getting selected in the next year, I would just say that take more and more out of it. The fellowship, the faculty is great. There's a great organization and all of the combination. So you will learn more and more. And if you got selected, don't miss the opportunity to do something to make a change and learn more from this fellowship.